Ecomposer Shopify landing page builder tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this Ecomposer on Shopify to create a landing page. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform designed to facilitate online and in-person sales for businesses of all sizes, from individual entrepreneurs to large corporations. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description or click Start Free Trial button. After signing in, you'll be able to be directed on this homepage, and it will show you on the left side panel some of the options to navigate. But now to proceed, kindly click this Add Apps button on the left side panel, and on this pop-up window, it will show you a variety of applications, but just click the Shopify App Store button below. And after doing so, you'll be able to be directed on this Shopify App Store, and it will show you a variety of applications. But to proceed, just go to the search bar and kindly search for Ecomposer. And upon searching this one, kindly click on it, and you will be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show you the overview about this application. And it says here that Ecomposer Page Builder helps merchants to create any page type or section, which is fast and simply using a live drag and drop editor. And below it will show you the plan that they offer, but just proceed by simply clicking the install button to proceed installing it for free. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page. And from here, just click again the install button right here. And upon doing so, from here the next thing that you need to do is to click the next button and also enter here for the quick setup your theme. I'm going to choose this theme called Dawn and click the next button to proceed. And after that, you also need to enter here your store password protection if you have one, in which you need to enter it in here to allow previewing the page in Ecomposer. But if you don't know where to find it, just click the Here button on the top panel in here that says Find or turn off your storefront password. And by clicking on the Here button, you will be able to be directed on this page under this password protection. All you need to do is to simply copy the password in here and simply paste it on this page, and after that, just proceed by clicking the Save button in here. And after that, just click again the next button below. Now the next thing that you need to do is to simply choose your page type in here and kindly select by choosing the landing and pages. Then proceed by clicking the Select Template button to proceed. But at this point, from here, the next thing that we need to do is to simply select here the template below here. Now from here, it will show you a variety of product pages or template that we can choose from. But if you choose the landing page, you'll be able to see here some of the landing page template that you can start customizing. But let's say in those options, I'm going to select this one and click the next button below. And after that, from here, the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the template name and also the template slug in here. And after that, just click the next button below to continue customizing our own template. Or click the Start Building button. And after that, it will show you that it is now currently being built, so all you need to do is to wait for it to load. And on this pop-up window, just click the Insert button in here. Now as you can see, it is now currently creating the preview, so all you need to do again is to kindly wait for it. And from here, you will now be able to start customizing this landing page in here. And it will show you on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating, including these elements, navigator, some of the section. And as you can see, this is all basically the product in our store and the details of it. And if you try to click any elements or context, it will show you on the left side panel how you can start customizing it, such as to change the color, the font style, the font size, and many more. You would also replace here the product image if you want to, the image layout, the design, plot of video icon, autoplay, loop, and any other editing tools in here such as this design option, where you could also start changing the width of it, max width, height, and any other details of these elements that you can start customizing. And those including the typography to make it bold, italic, underline, change the color of this whole context if you want to. So basically you can start customizing here under this Ecomposer builder. And let's say you're now done customizing it, the next thing that you need to do is to simply click the Save button on the top right corner to save the changes, or simply click the Publish button in here, where you could also rename the template name, but just proceed by clicking Save and Publish button. And upon doing so, you will now be able to see here the link of your landing page that we just customized in here. And by clicking the view button, you will be able to be directed in this landing page where it will show you the details and the overview about the website that we just customized earlier. So overall, Ecomposer serves as an essential tool for Shopify merchants looking to boost conversions through effective landing page design. So that is just how you can use Ecomposer landing page builder on Shopify. Thank you.